I'm Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we have an exciting unboxing. We have a viewer box, and this is from Mr. Sunny, SunnyShine on YouTube. So thank you so much, Mr. Sunny.
Yes, thank you.
We've actually had this box for quite a while. He let us know that he sent 2 boxes, and so we got this one really quickly, and then we were kind of waiting for that second box to arrive. And so we've been waiting and haven't seen it so far. So we're going to go ahead and open this up because he did mention that there may be some perishable items in here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Still try to hold out hope that maybe that other box will show up eventually. But yeah, I feel so bad because I don't know where it went or if it's stuck in customs somewhere. Who knows, especially if they're sent on the same day, same time, why one arrived and the other didn't. I do not know. But we're going to take a look in here and see what we've got. We're very excited. Love seeing what people decide to pick out for us to sample. Mm-hmm. So I think we've got the scissors over there.
The crafty scissors in this house always have a pink handle. So, or we could just use the lucky steak knife, whatever you prefer. Hold that thought. Pardon my reach. I know, you're not supposed to cut towards yourself.
Yeah, you're setting a bad example.
I'm cutting away from myself.
That's better.
By the way, Mr. Sunny, fantastic taping job on
Yeah, it's taped really well. So
kudos to you. You're fine. And Viola.
check it with some paper.
Ah.
Looks like we have a note in here. All right. Dear Tina and Ross, greetings from the UK. I hope this parcel reaches you safe and sound. I am a new avid viewer of your channel, and I really enjoy watching you guys. So thank you so much. I have posted to you a selection of sweet and savory treats, more on the sweet side, as I have a very sweet tooth. I hope you enjoy trying these snacks, and hopefully some of these are new to your taste buds. I've also included a couple of items to commemorate Queen Elizabeth II's 70 years on the throne. The UK will be celebrating the Queen's Platinum Jubilee on the 2nd June as part of a 4-day holiday. Keep up the good work and happy tasting. Kind regards, Sunny. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
We're excited. I'm glad we got, if you sent only a note in one, I'm glad we got the one with your notes. So yeah, we're looking forward to seeing what's in here. Oh, I see lots. Actually, I'm seeing lots of savory in this one. First off, we have, Walker's Sensations, baked cheese and honey. We've had other Walker's Sensations, and I thought they were really top-notch. They were really good.
Right. I don't think we've actually had that one before. Though.
No, I don't think. I think we've maybe only tried one flavor, but I remember thinking they were really good, really nice quality. Frazzles.
Crispy bacon.
Ooh, that sounds like a good flavor. You know how we like those meaty flavors. I'm trying to remember, have we tried Frazzles before? I don't remember.
I'm trying to recall. Yeah.
We've been trying a lot of different crisps, but now I'm not sure if we've actually tried Frazzles yet. So
at this exact moment, yeah, you put me on the spot. It doesn't ring. It sounds familiar, maybe because we've seen other videos where other people have tried Frazzles.
But I can tell you, crispy bacon does not sound familiar. But I don't know. It looks a little different. So I'm thinking I know we have not tried that flavor. If we tried Frazzles, and I'm not sure that we actually have. So
yes, thank you. Very curious to try it.
Yeah.
So, looks like there's a tin. Mm-hmm. You know.
I need my scissors.
Something other than crafty scissors?
Scissors will work just fine.
Yes, dear.
Oops, one more. Oh, I see a crown on here.
Yes.
M&S limited edition platinum jubilee biscuit tin. How pretty is that?
That's nice.
That is really neat.
And we love tins.
Yeah, I mean, because you can definitely store lots of things in them after you're done with the biscuits.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Looking forward to that.
And just a little something. Tina loves anything with the words limited edition. And a whole collector's item. Thoughts go in your head. Oh, all butter shortbread. Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
that
love
sounds good.
yes, it does. So where do you
All
want
right.
to start?
Let's start maybe with the frazzles, and we'll do our savory to sweet.
So, item about we're about to open is Frazzles Smith's Crispy Bacon. I open a bag and it just smells like
Bacon.
pure heaven.
Yep. Yeah, these do not look familiar to me. I don't think we've tried these.
I like how they have
Shape.
little bacon streaks.
Yeah, it's cute.
I don't think we have anything equivalent here.
They're really light,
Mm-hmm.
light and airy. Yeah.
And they do have a definite bacon flavor to it.
So they're corn snacks. So bacon flavored corn snacks. These are good. We always like those meat flavors.
Oh yeah. Really good. Thank you.
All right, next let's try these Walker's Sensations. Another limited edition. I know you're laughing at me. Of course, this is actually really exciting for us too, because when we do find food from the UK, it's not very often that we find limited edition products. I think Touch of Britain had some things around Christmas that were limited edition, but typically, especially I'd say with crisps, I think they just kind of have to carry the standard flavor crisps, just the regular Walkers, not Sensations or anything. So we really don't see these at all. So yeah, what a pretty, it's actually a really pretty bag. Is this also for the Jubilee?
Do you want me to be especially careful opening it?
It says, far from ordinary crisp, Sensations are an altogether much more regal affair. Huh. Yeah, I was just kind of noticing, like, has Walker's, looks like it has the crown on top, and I see jewels and flowers, so it's made me wonder.
Knowing Tina, it's either, well, it's limited edition, I don't want to open it.
No, we have to open it.
It's mint in bag. I will be very careful opening the bag in case you want to save it and put it in an airtight container, airtight display case.
Does it smell good? So these are cheese and honey.
Get a good whiff of that.
Oh, yeah. It's interesting.
Yes. Now, I don't think we've seen any potato chip crisps bags this large at Touch of Britain. Yeah.
No, they're always the smaller bags. Yeah.
Do you remember if we saw Frazzles?
No, I've never seen Frazzles there. No, I've only seen the Walker's Crisps and Monster Munch. A couple flavors of Monster Munch. That's all I've seen there. Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely getting a lot of that cheese flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty light on the honey. I was wondering if it would have a lot of sweetness to it, but I don't taste a lot of sweetness.
First thing I tasted was the honey flavor. Almost like a sweetness aftertaste. Oh.
Yeah. It's very subtle. Definitely much heavier on the cheese, which is good for me since I love cheese. But yeah, those are good.
They're really good. These are fantastic. I don't think we ever had a Walker's crisp or snack that was. No, I'll pass on it. No, they're all good.
And the Sensations have been really good. I forgot what other flavor we tried, but I like a little A little thicker and crunchier crisp
Right.
than the regular, and just some really interesting flavors, I think, in the Sensations line.
Top notch. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And it's irritating. It's so irritating. We try these and we can't find them in our local stores, like our Cost Plus World Market, Touch of Britain that we're just describing. But
Then I'll have to look up what other flavors they have. Cause it seems like I've seen other flavors they produced that sounded really good too. But that's really exciting that we got to try limited edition flavor.
yes, thank you for that.
Yeah. Now on to something a little sweet. So I think we mentioned this is from M&S, which we understand is kind of a higher end grocery store. Is my understanding.
Yeah. You want me to open that for you?
I think I got it.
I'm trying to remember, was it Millionaire Bites, the first M&S?
Those were so good.
I was wondering if those were the first M&S, kind of like baked, like biscuits that
I
we
think
had.
that was Roland's box. I think
Yes,
Roland
those are
sent
his
us
Roland.
some things from M&S. Besides the Millionaire Bites, I think there are a few things from M&S, and they were all really delicious. But yeah, the Millionaire Bites we loved those.
Those were good.
Let's see, is it taped up here? I guess not. Oh wait, take it back.
Ready to see what we take care of?
Yeah. Okay, so it's not taped here. It's just
Yeah. Try not to scratch the tin lid. There. Nice. And they have a little crown, Union Jack.
How fun. Yeah, they look like shortbread cookies. Biscuits, I should say. Yeah, sorry, it says all butter shortbread. They remind me a bit of, I think we mentioned this before, the Chessmen.
Yeah. These look really good.
And especially the way they have the decorations on top. But oh yeah. Nice.
Which one are you?
Yeah, so we have the crown and the flag. I'm embarrassed to say I can't identify the other two.
So it's like kind of look like an orb.
All right.
Okay. Which one should I have?
Whichever one you want.
Yeah, with the Union Jack. Oh,
There's a close-up of that one.
check that out. Ready?
And nice and thick and
Yeah.
nice size too.
Got some weight to it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
We do love those buttery shortbreads.
Oh yeah.
They're such a simple biscuit, but I just really love the flavor of them. That butter flavor. Mm.
Yes. Oh, these are really good.
Mm. Really enjoying these.
Mhm.
Yeah. It's so fun that they came in this commemorative tin too. I don't know if I can get that to stay up. I'm gonna work.
Really delicious butter flavor. These are good. Yeah. Are you supposed to dunk shortbread?
You probably can.
Are you supposed to? Is it specifically for dunking?
Well, I feel like some of our viewers say they dunk just about any kind of biscuit. Others are particular about the kinds they dunk.
Mm-hmm.
For me, I'm not big of a dunker, but like the ginger nuts. I just thought these just really need to be dunked because they're extra crisp, and I really liked those dunked. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I always worry about some of these. They're so crumbly. I hate getting the crumbs at the bottom of your teacup. Or you just have to be careful to not take that last drink of tea.
It bugs you that much.
Mm-hmm.
You can always take your spoon and just kind of fish them out.
No, I just remember one time I forgot. And I took that last, I was like, oh, what was that? It's like, oh, that's right. It's crumbs from the biscuit I dumped.
It's cookie crumbs. It wasn't like cyanide. Absolutely love these. We've had as we mentioned before in other videos, we've had Walker shortbread before,
which is pretty easy to find here, actually.
Yeah, very easy to find, and it comes in
from Scotland.
I was about to say in different, like, we can get in different varieties. What does it look like? Little
Scotty dogs.
Little Scotty dogs. Yeah,
and they
from
actually,
Scotland, but they come in different shapes. But yeah. But
and they often come with tins as well. I noticed in Cost Plus World Market.
They do.
I've seen them like around the holidays. Sometimes they'll have different decorative tins, and
okay.
They may have had some for the Jubilee. I don't remember though. I don't remember for sure, but I know I've seen various decorative tins.
I just know that, like you said, it's so common to see Walker's shortbread here. Just about every time I see it, it's always in those red cardboard, the boxes.
Now, remember the cute boxes we got around Christmas a few years ago that had the Loch Ness Monster?
Yes.
Those are really cute. It was like a little cartoon drawing of Nessie. Yeah. And I think they had one that had Thistle on it as well.
We picked up both those. I remember we saw it. I remember exactly where we got it. It was Cost Plus World Market. We both saw them together. And you're like, oh, if you get this one, I'll get the other one. Yeah, I remember that.
So again, thank you so much, Mr. Sunny. Now I'm really wishing I knew it was in that second box. And I keep hoping that it will somehow show up at our P.O. box. But I just don't know what happened to it. It makes me worried, like, did it get caught in customs and they decided there was something they wanted to investigate and they opened it up and then took stuff home for themselves?
Yeah.
I don't know, but we're definitely appreciative of everything you sent. Everything here was absolutely delicious. So appreciate that very much.
Yes.
And as I mentioned, it's so much fun to get something from the Jubilee, something commemorative.
Yeah. So again, greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.
So if you like food reactions and food tastings, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.